NLP and text mining. NLP stands for Natural Language Processing. It is also known as text mining. In this session, we are going to discuss about what is text mining, what is NLP, some of the basic terms like what is corpus, how do you prepare text for analysis. The text data is actually unstructured data. How do you structure the unstructured data? The NLTK package is one of the best package that is right now available in the market. This is used for natural language processing tasks within Python, and what is document term matrix and some other basics. Let us suppose when you are going through some of the product reviews on an e-commerce website, you found this comment. This vacuum cleaner sucks. Is that a positive comment or a negative comment? When you look at it, it looks like a negative comment because this vacuum cleaner sucks looks like more out of frustration. But what is the basic feature of vacuum cleaner? Why do you buy vacuum cleaner for? Maybe this particular comment, it can be even positive. Maybe if somebody, if you look at the rest of the lines in this particular review, when you look at the complete review, when you read the full review, you might even find that there were so many positive points about the vacuum cleaner, and finally this line could have been this vacuum cleaner sucks well. It depends whether it is positive sentence or negative sentence. It depends on rest of the sentences. It depends on some of the sentences that are previous to this, some of the sentences that are after this sentence. So this vacuum cleaner sucks, we can't confidently 100% say this is a positive sentence or a negative sentence. When you're reading a restaurant review, this is the review that you got. I never had such pizza before. Not sure about future either. Don't know, again the same problem. Depending on the rest of the sentences, we have to think whether it can be even positive sentence, it can be negative sentence. Now there is a movie review which says it has no drama, no action, no comedy, no romance, just pure horror. It can be positive, it looks like positive, but it can be negative. Looks like these are all sarcastic sentences. Sometimes two sentences have same words, exactly same word, their ordering is different. The food was not good, it was bad. The food was not bad, it was good. Now that is the issue with text data. Text data is unstructured. The problem with text data, the initial problem with text data is it is unstructured. You can't look at a particular statement and say whether it is positive or negative. You can't look at a particular statement. You can't just take a text and say whether it means something. It totally depends on rest of the sentences that are preceding it. Some of the sentences are that are following it. This vacuum cleaner sucks. It can be positive, it can be even negative sentence. It all depends on the remaining context. It all depends on the overall context. Whereas numerical data, if we say +1, it always means 1. It never means -1. Whereas here in text data, one sentence can be sometimes positive, one sentence can be the same sentence, can be even negative. That's why text data is known as unstructured data. What is text mining? Making sense out of text data. Data mining on the text data. All our analysis is on the text data. It is also known as text analytics. It is also known as natural language processing. In simple terms, analytics on text data is known as text mining or natural language processing. There are two major categories in text mining or NLP: text mining for prediction, text mining for pattern recognition. Text mining for pattern recognition is something where there is some gist in the text data, there is some summary in the text data, finding the insights from the text data. There is not much of prediction that we are doing. We are trying to find the insights that are hidden within the text data. It is similar to or analogous to unsupervised learning, where you don't have any fixed agenda. You just want to find out what is there in that cluster of text data and you want to summarize it. For example, clustering some documents together, or document summarization, or theme extraction. What are the most talked points in the text data? That is known as text mining for pattern recognition. There is another major task that we do with text mining, that is text mining for prediction. You already divide the text into two different categories: positive sentences, negative sentences. When a new sentence comes, you are going to say whether it is positive or negative. Text mining for classification of the documents. Some documents are related to legal document, some documents are related to office, some documents are customer relation information, etc., etc. You want, when a new document comes, you want to categorize the documents. Pattern recognition is something where you are finding out what is there in the text data, what is there in the document. Whereas here in prediction, you're going to predict, or you're going to classify that particular text into category A or category B, etc. So text mining for prediction, text mining for pattern recognition. This text mining for prediction is similar to supervised learning, where you have one objective in your mind. At the end of the text mining, you want to say this particular document belongs to something. This document is categorized as document of type A or type B.